Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are not familiar with my channel, I go by One Cheap Compadre and you're watching Cheap Compadre TV. Where on my channel, I talk about savings, investing, politics, and even story time. So today I wanted to talk about the economy versus the stock market. But before I do, I just want to talk about a few things. One is that if you haven't voted yet, please do, and please do it early. Make sure, either you go into the ballot office and cast your vote, or you bring your ballot or your absentee ballot to the ballot office ASAP before November 3rd. Also, be mindful of certain mailboxes around certain locations like churches and other places where many people function. If you can, please avoid those boxes that you can put your ballot into and go to the actual ballot office to drop it off inside, not outside. So, with that being said, let's begin my next video. So, it's about economy versus the stock market. Now, you have to understand that right now, the stock market is doing pretty well. But you have to understand for the stock market, those who are benefiting from this are individuals who are able to put extra money into the stock market, are individuals who have been investing for a long time and pretty much are wealthy to begin with. So not only are they wealthy to begin with, but they're also becoming even more wealthy due to inflation, due to prices of certain stocks that are falling and they're taking advantage of it, which is fine. That is not legal. Illegal, that is. So you're more than welcome to do that. But for the economy, it is not doing too well because for the economy, you have millions of people who are unemployed. So they're still trying to find work or they giving up. And no one is really addressing that. No one is giving people who've been out of work for months now an opportunity to get back. So there's no solution for that. And then you have the investors who are helping grow the stock market because these are new people who just decided to put money into the stock market. So these are new people who are choosing to try option trading, which is very risky. It's like gambling. And they're taking a risk, which is fine. If you're willing to depart from your money and you're not someone who would be upset if that was to happen, then so be it. Go ahead and invest into the stock market. Now, you have to understand for those people who are unemployed, they also lost their benefits if they had health insurance. So now, not only are they losing out on an income, but they're also losing out on taking care of their family in case of the emergency if they have to go to the hospital. So just imagine if they have to deal with an emergency and have no money, where they may have to take out a credit card in order to pay for it, which is going to put them even in more debt. So they're unemployed, they lost their benefits, and they're also on the hook for more debt. So at this time, due to the stock market, more people are becoming wealthy, especially these technology companies who are taking advantage of the pandemic and how people are using more online services than actually going to an actual store, which is allowing for these technology companies to prosper and grow, where at this point in time they're pretty much taking advantage of the situation of this crisis and becoming more wealthier, while other people are suffering and unemployed and can't find work and wondering where the next meal is going to come from. So what do you think? Should we worry about the stock market, or should we worry about those individuals who are suffering from the economy? So we had over 4 to 5 months of this pandemic. You still have people who are unemployed, out of work, and not going back to their previous work. So should we focus on the economy and the stock market, or should we focus on this pandemic and try to come up with a virus so we can get back to work? Or should we just worry about those who are working and continue to grow the economy? So put your comment down below. Make sure to come and subscribe if you haven't already. So until then, have a great day. And don't forget to hit that like button.